Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 23. अवघ्या परीस मी पामर, कवण्या गुणे हा करुणासागर, दयाघन ओळला मजवर, मी तर काही जाणेना. Amongst all the devotees, I am insignificant. I do not know what quality in me made Sai, the ocean of compassion and cloud of mercy, shower his grace on me. हाची गुरुकृपेचा नवलावा, की जेथ काही न लव ओलावा, तेथेही निबर तरु फुलावा, दाट उफलावा अप्रयासे. Such is the marvel of Guru's grace, that it makes a dry and stiff plant effortlessly and profusely blossom in the most arid soil. कोणी पुढे बांधितील मठ, कोणी देवालये कोणी घाट, आपण घेऊ धोपट वाट, चरित्रपाठ साईंचा. In future, some people may build monasteries, some may build temples, and some ghats. But I will take the straightforward way of the recitation of Sai's story. कोणी सत्कारपूर्वक अर्चन, कोणी करीती पादसंवाहन, उत्कंठित झाले माझे मन, गुणसंकीर्तन करावे. Some may reverentially worship Sai, some may press his feet gently, but my mind is eager to sing his praises. कृतयुगी जे प्राप्त ध्याने, त्रेती यजने द्वापारी अर्चने, ते प्राप्त सर्व नाम संकीर्तने, गुरु भजने कलियुगी. What could be attained by meditation in the Krita Yuga, by ritualistic sacrifice in Treta Yuga, and by ritualistic worship in Dwapar Yuga, can now be attained in this present Kali Yuga by chanting the Guru's name and singing his praises. अनधिकारी उघड उघड, चिंध्या भाराभर एकना धड, तेथे ऐसे हे अवजड, कार्य अवघड घ्यावे का. Obviously, I am unqualified, jack of all trades and master of none. How can I then undertake this enormous and difficult task? यत्न न करिता उगे बसावे, आज्ञा भंग पातकी भावे, आज्ञा पालन करू जावे, तरी भावे हे कैसे. If I do not make any efforts and just sit still, I will be committing the sin of disobedience, and if I obey him, how will I be equal to the task? समर्थ साईंची निज स्थिती, यथार्थ वर्णाया कोणा गती, स्वयेच भक्तार्थ कृपा करीती, तरी ते वदविती स्वयेची. Who is capable of describing the inward state of the powerful Sai? Sai alone can describe it through a devotee of his by conferring grace upon him. वाणीची जेथ न चले धाव, तेथे मी का बांधिली हाव, ऐसे बोलावयासी वाव, ठेविला न ठाव कवणाते. When speech cannot do justice, why then did I develop this craving? Sai gave no opportunity nor scope for anyone to say anything in the matter. उचलिली जेव्हा हाती लेखण, बाबांनी हरिले माझे मीपण, लिहिती आपुली कथा आपण, ज्याचे भूषण त्याजला. When I took up the pen, Baba made me lose my own identity. He himself began writing his story. The credit is entirely his. हे तो संत चरित्र लेखन, संतावीण करील कोण, बाबांच्या अतर्क्य गुणांचे आकलन, गगना आलिंगन दानासम. Who else but a saint can write the life of Sai? To understand the inconceivable virtues of Baba is like attempting to embrace the sky.